Hello my Twitter friends. Just telling my new neighbors about what happens tomorrow. Something they call the Super Bowl. I think it must be some kind of mind adjustment, very scary and dangerous. You get all these people here. I think had too much catnip, and more scary they take the catnip and light it on fire. Then they start drinking out of those bottles. I wonder why they need so much liquid. They must have a hole somewhere where the liquid leaks out. Then they start eating that green stuff. They call it guacamole. Warning: do not sniff the stuff, your nose will be permanently damaged. Just when you think things cannot get worse, they start yelling at that picture box. The noise. The mess. The smells from that room with the white seat. Trying to get out of their way. Very scary. Best thing to do is find a good box and hide.